In this video tutorial, I will show you two methods of how to set up the WhatsApp Messenger on laptop and PC. This first method works for all operating systems as it uses the WhatsApp web interface. First, go to the website web.whatsapp.com. Here, WhatsApp will ask you to sign in using a QR code that you will have to scan with your smartphone. Go to the WhatsApp Messenger on your smartphone and tap the three vertical dots on the top right. Select WhatsApp Web. Then scan the QR code on your computer display. That's it. The second method is by using the WhatsApp Windows or Mac app. In this tutorial, I'll be using the app on Windows 10. Go to whatsapp.com and click on the download link on the top right. Click on the big green download button on the right to download the installer. Next, launch the installer to install WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. Now that the app is installed, open up WhatsApp on your smartphone. Tap the three vertical dots, then select WhatsApp Web. Scan the QR code with your phone to activate WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you out. If you want to support the channel, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.